How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can justify text in Figma. So to do it very quickly and easily, the first thing that you want to do is to actually double click on the text box that you want to edit. So in my case, it's going to be this one. I'm just going to highlight everything. And if you navigate through your side panel, you then have this alignment option right here. So you just want to look for the justify option, but on the basic buttons that we have, unfortunately, there isn't one. So in order to basically or actually click on justify option, so it's going to be this specific button right here that's basically called the justify text option. Text align justified. Once again, you could just click on the type setting that we have, select text align justified, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.